Have you ever seen a wildflower meadow? They are nature's own colorful masterpiece, and did you know they can be a much better choice than a perfectly manicured lawn? Let's find out why. Cultivating a lawn has been a popular tradition for centuries, but it may not be the best for our environment or the creatures that call it home. Maintaining a uniform grass garden takes a lot of time, money, and resources. But what if we let nature take over? In 2019, a team at King's College in Cambridge decided to break tradition. They transformed a part of their lawn into a wildflower meadow, and something amazing happened. The meadow came to life with a sprinkling of beautiful poppies, cornflowers, and oxeye daisies. Researchers discovered that this patch of color now supports over 3.6 times more plants, spiders, and bugs compared to nearby lawns. The meadow became a bustling habitat, with 25 times more invertebrates than a regular lawn. It even attracted twice as many species in need of conservation. The benefits didn't stop there. As the flowers bloomed, insects arrived, and with them came their predators. Local bats started foraging in the meadow 3 times as often. The meadow had such a significant impact on their behavior that even small areas can make a big difference. Initially seeded with 33 species of plants, the meadow now hosts at least 51 other species. And the best part? No need for mowing, fertilizing, watering, or pesticides. Did you know meadows can help fight climate change too? By letting nature flourish, we can reduce carbon emissions. Meadows could save about 1.36 tons of carbon emissions per hectare per year, which is equivalent to a return flight between London and New York. Imagine if these positive results were replicated in numerous yards and public spaces. Even small meadows can positively impact wildlife and bring back biodiversity. So, why do people still prefer lawns? Well, tradition plays a big role. But breaking with this tradition can be a caring act for our environment. Many people at King's College preferred a mix of meadows and lawns to lawns only. They found meadows more aesthetically pleasing, less pretentious, and more inviting. Urban lawns offer ample opportunities for biodiversity conservation. A meadow reflects more sunlight, helping maintain a cooler urban microclimate, especially as the world faces global warming. So, whether it's a small patch in your garden or a larger area in public spaces, let's embrace the beauty of wildflower meadows. By taking the first step, we can inspire others. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.